Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some insects vocabulary. Ant. It is a small, social insect that lives in colonies and works together to find food. Bee. Makes honey, helps plants grow by pollination, and can sting if threatened. Wasp. Similar to bees but slimmer, more aggressive, and doesn't make honey. Butterfly. Colorful insect with big wings. Starts life as a caterpillar. Moth. Looks like a butterfly but usually active at night. Beetle. Hard-shelled insect many types like carrot beetles or dung beetles. Ladybug. Small round beetle with red body and black spots helpful for gardens. Mosquito. Small flying insect that bites and sucks blood, can spread diseases. Fly. Common insect with two wings often found around food and garbage. Dragonfly. Long-bodied insect with two pairs of wings, flies fast near water. Grasshopper. Jumps high, eats plants, and makes chirping sounds. Cricket. Similar to grasshopper, known for its loud chirp sound at night. Cockroach. Brown insect that hides in houses, can spread germs. Termite. Tiny insect that eats wood and damages furniture. Caterpillar. The young stage of a butterfly or moth. Long, soft body with many legs. Firefly. Glowing insect that lights up at night. Flea. Very small jumping insect, lives on animals and sucks blood. Lice. Tiny insect that lives in human hair or clothes. Bedbug. Small insect that hides in beds and bites humans at night. Stick insect. Insect that looks like a stick or twig to hide from enemies. Praying mantis. Green insect with folded front legs, looks like praying. Cicada. Insect that makes loud buzzing sound in summer. Locust. A type of grasshopper that moves in large groups and eats crops. Gnat. Very tiny flying insect, often annoying in groups. If you want to learn more about English vocabulary, phrases and idioms, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coffee with Ariba.